Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel, and this is your tip of the week. Have you ever thought about how you could use a quilt block such as this in some of your other projects? Normally I show you a quilt block for like this pot holder or a quilt or table runner and maybe even a pillow. But I'm going to show you how you can take a quilt block like this and turn it into a pocket. The size of this block is about 6 inches square. You could go up to maybe 8 inches square for a pocket. So to make it into a pocket, you place a piece of fabric on top, stitch around all 4 sides, leave a little opening so you can turn it front side out. So here's the fabric on the back. You could even put some lightweight fusible interfacing on the inside of this pocket also. I was going to make a tutorial out of this project I'm showing you, but I just didn't have enough time to get it done. So I want to show you how I'm going to take this quilt block and turn it into a half apron using a towel. I always sketch everything out first before I get started so that I know where I'm going. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a white towel. You can use any color towel you want. It doesn't even have to be a towel. It can be fabric that you cut into a rectangle shape to make a half apron, or maybe even use these pockets on a full bib apron. So if you're going to put pockets on an apron, for instance, the towel apron, usually I like to set my pockets like this so that the hands can easily slip inside. Let me get the other one here. And so you could have your pockets like this. Now to make a waistband, you can either use regular cotton quilting fabric and cut it to whatever width you want and stitch it up here. Or you could cut some wide ribbon that makes sure it's washable and stitch it at each end for your ties. Cut them any length you want, or you can have it go all the way across. One more thing you can do is cut another strip to make a border at the bottom, so you could have it all on top of the towel, or if you wanted to add length to the apron, have it to where it goes past the bottom edge of a towel. Now here's an example of a towel apron in which I did use the ribbon. And you want to make sure your ribbon is washable. Some people like to use a cigarette lighter to fuse the cut end of the ribbon to keep it from unraveling. I'm not very good with fire. I'm one-handed pretty much, so I don't like messing around with cigarette lighters. But what I did is I just folded the edges under at each end of the ribbon and then stitched it down. Now that particular quilt block isn't the only style. You can also do applique quilt blocks where I've put this little apple on there. Use them as your pockets. Remember the tulip video. You could make tulip ones. Also, you can even make a round one and put a heart on it. And if you're a big fan of Sunbonnet Sue, you can do that too. When I make pillows either for a bedroom or a family room, living room area, I like to have just more than one fabric on the pillow. And I like to coordinate all the pillows. So I will select anywhere from 2 to 3 different prints that work well together. For instance, this has got a very light background with black print. This is also a white background with black. And then this here is a white, gray, and black. So on this pillow, I've got this large print here. Then on the back, I have this fabric, and this is also a slip cover. I also selected fabric that was on one of the other pillows to make piping. This one's just got one print on it on the front side, and on the back, I chose the other fabric with the stripes on it, and again, it's a slip cover. Remember the stripe fabric? This is a 4 patch, and all I did was turn the stripes so that they're all going in different directions. Then on the back, I use that large print, and again, it's a slipcover. So here is another color selection that I have. They all have colors that are in common. In other words, this is all black, and in this print, there's black. And then on the back, I used the large print on the back, and again, it's a slipcover. I make a lot of slipcovers because I like to change my pillows around. So here again, I'm using the solid black, but this is another print with the same tone of yellow or hue of yellow on it. And then on the back, I put the same yellow fabric on the back. And again, it's a slipcover. This is the large print just on the front by itself. Then on the back, it's all the black. And then for the piping, it's solid black. So the next time you're thinking about making new pillows for the bedroom or your living room, family room, look at the fabrics and look for fabrics that are coordinated together. For instance, if you go into a quilt fabric shop or Joann Fabrics and Crafts, they usually have similar colors together. Now this is Joann's Home Essential fabric. It's a canvas, and they often will have several different prints with the same colors in it. So it makes it real easy to pick and choose your colors. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tip of the week and you try using some of these little tips and ideas that I've given you. Now, if you're interested in these particular pillows or other projects like I've shown you on these pot holders, then scroll down to the description section. So as you're scrolling down, look for the word more, click on it. It will expand open and you will see a variety of links appearing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.